roll now. We back. We slide, man. We finna go pick up this motor left. Finna go see if we can get these bolts. Took out this out these cylinder heads, which I should have done that before I put the heads back on the motor, but I forgot. And I was supposed to be putting the motor in the car this weekend, and I need them gone before I even think about trying to do that. So yeah. We heading over here to pick up my buddy Randy motor lift. He said I could use it, so about to go pick up his lift, then slide back to the crib. Try to see if I can get this motor loaded up. But hopefully it looks like it's finna rain, bro. If it ain't raining, I ain't finna do none of this. I can't be messing up no motor now. But we got the wires and everything installed in this Malibu. Now it is just to keep moving forward, man. Still ain't heard nothing from the guy on my transmission, man. I'm going to get my transmission, dog. I'm just take it to another shop, bro. I ain't got time for that. Been telling me it's gonna be Monday, Tuesday. Been Monday, Tuesday. They done told me that shit like 2-3 weeks in a row, bro. And I was cool about it. Just, you know what I'm saying? Didn't put up no fight. Like, I need my stuff now, bro. It ain't no more waiting. It ain't no more kicking. If you don't want to do it, bro, just keep it G with me and say you don't want to do it. You feel me? Because y'all ain't that busy, bro. For real. But, I'm finna get this motor lift picked up and head back to the crib, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get to the crib, man, because this motor lift heavy and I ain't got time to be, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright? Alright, guys. We done made it over here to Spank. Finna see if Spank can get these bolts out. Say he finna weld to them and try to get them out. I don't know why my tail didn't think about it when I had the heads off. But we got one here and one there. So it's 2 on this side and it's 1 on the other side. So Spank said he can get them off. It ain't no pressure. So it ain't that hard to do. So hopefully Spank can knock these out pretty quick for me. Cause it's supposed to rain, man. It look like it's gonna rain right now anyway. Probably gonna have to push this on going over. I don't think I'm using this intake too. This ain't the what the hell? This ain't that damn, whatchamacallit intake. I can't think what it's called. It ain't that intake. This is a cheap motherfucker. I'm probably gonna get like the same intake that's on the back of my that's on my Chevy, so I can run the wires up under it and hide most of the wires up under the intake. I think that'll be a lot cooler, where I can hide most of the wires on the intake. I think I probably can use this one, but I just don't want to do it. I want to hide as many wires as I can. It's just a bolt right there. Probably use that. I need to get a chain too, cause I'm dropping this song down in this weekend, y'all. I'm dropping it in this weekend, and I'm just gonna have these manifolds, these exhaust manifolds on there until I get my other one. Probably gonna go with some shorty headers. I don't know, or either the hooker exhaust manifold like what I got on the box. I don't know just yet, but yeah, Spank doing. Oh, there you go. Gonna see what he finna do. See if Spank know what he talking about. Oh, I'm tired. Been a long day. Been a long day, y'all. Buddy's still playing with my transmission. I don't think I'm gonna let that go right now until I get my transmission. I'm going to holler at me another transmission plate next week. Cause I ain't got time for all this, bro. For real. But yeah. What you got, Spank? How you planning on doing this shit? Oh. Some nuts on there. Just weld a nut on it and then it should turn out. Bag it out. That's it. This is clean off right here. What you doing that Camaro in there?
Put a motor in it.
Oh, damn. That one don't want to do nothing either. Got you a good little dent on it. So he say he gonna weld some nuts on y'all and bag them out. I done seen this done on YouTube, but I ain't never actually seen nobody do it in person. So hopefully my dogs might get these bolts out for me. That way I can mount up the way I need to. I ain't got that snap-on welder. It's that good motherfucker. It's getting chilly out this song too, boy. What'd you say, Smack? Oh, okay. Gonna see what we can do. Want we move them wires out the way, or you good? Hook it to the block somewhere. Oh, yeah, let's say, yeah, I got that bolt right there. Old legs.
Watch your eyes.
Sheesh, that song gone red. Ooh, like a little lava boat. What, talking about this other one right here? That song going nowhere red, boy. That song going on fire. Damn, that one didn't hold. Something's hot. Huh? Song going here look like it did. Yeah, that one didn't stick to it. This son of a bitch here hot, boy. Bet y'all won't touch it. Alright. Wait the spray get bad, man. I ain't finna mess with nothing. Huh? Yeah. That little phone light ain't holding up. I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man. Spank gotta find some more shit. Alright, y'all. Spank done got the first one out. Done got that one out. This one done broke on us again. It moved a little bit though, cause it done came a little farther back out. Alright, now don't burn your finger. Huh?
That's pretty good. Small.
God damn. Drop that one too. God damn. Spray bar still died out. Keep some juice out of that thing once you got holes here. Sheesh. Getting old, Spank.
Huh?
Getting old. It'll drop a couple of them down off in there. I don't know where they went. Probably up under that motherfucker.
You'll find them when you pull it out.
Yeah.
What's not going on? Yeah, we'll find them.
That's something been done with. I don't know what you done did to that motherfucker. That damn spray bottle done gave out. Hey guys, we done got one of them out. This one keep breaking on us. It it turned a little bit. So we're gonna bust this one out on this side, and then there's one more on the other side. I don't know where it's at. We're gonna have to rock the motor over a little bit and get the other one for the other side. Shit, we'll be good. And I gotta take this thing back to the house, put it back in the garage. I'm probably gonna sit it on the ground too, because I probably ain't putting it back on that motor stand. Yeah, we're gonna have to lean this on gun over. Because I gotta go to work. I gotta go clean something. But yeah, man, y'all get in the comment section. Tell me what y'all think about me doing that wiring on the Malibu. I look like I know what I'm talking about, and look like I know what I'm doing. I just know how to read and comprehend, cuz that's all it is. Because that painless book come with all the steps to break it down to you. It tell you how to wire up every single switch, the alternator, everything. It tell you how to wire the whole system up pretty much. So if you know how to read, man, you can do that painless harness. But I still got a long way to go on it. I still got a lot more stuff to do. You know what I'm saying? Once we get this motor in here, I got to figure out what accessory drive I'm going to go with, man. I'm so all up in the air on that. I don't even know which accessory drive I'm going with. I ain't going to lie to y'all. Y'all get in the comment section on the accessory drive. What? What you did? You went and primed it up?
Get another one.
Oh. She should come on out of there now. God damn. She
Not even close.
must just only had a tip on that son, bitch.
Yeah. I was off.
Huh?
I was off. I'm gonna move this damn light so I can actually see when I'm
You want me to hold it up here?
maybe.
Yeah, I can hold it for you. We'll cut y'all back on in a minute. We might got action. I don't know, we might got action. Yeah, she like she coming out. Hey, we got action, baby. It's Spank done this a time or two. That's a snap-on wrench.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of cool how it being back.
There it is.
Yes, sir.
The threads are perfect. Everything's still good.
Yeah.
Reuse it.
We in the game, baby.
Yes, sir.
Now we gotta figure out how we're gonna get on this other side.
And the head's aluminum, so
that ain't gonna stick to it.
So you ain't gotta worry about it.
Yeah. So that's gonna only stick to that bolt anyway.
Yep.
Cool.
Bolt and nut, that's it.
Bolt and nut. So yeah, cause everything wiped right back off of that song, you know? I'm gonna try to put it in the car this weekend.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Let me and Spank figure out how we finna get on the other side. I built it.
Did you really?
Yep.
That's very pretty, man.
Yeah, I cleaned it up. It was way worse than this. I pretty much did most of the stuff on the inside of it.
Yeah. Just completely rebuild it?
Yeah, I put new cam, new lifters, new head gaskets, new front stuff.
Oh, you ain't even started. You ain't even done nothing to it.
Yeah, new timing chain, all that stuff.
5.3?
Yeah, it's a 5.3.
5.3. Yeah. You putting it in this?
Hell no.
I was just gonna say.
This one got a motor in
I was
it.
just gonna say.
I'm gonna put this in a Malibu.
Oh, hell yeah. Nice.
Alright, last one. Hopefully it don't kill us. Wind done got the way it ain't playing right now.
Man, it's gonna get bad, dog. Let me let the wind.
Yeah, that's why I want to hit. That's why I'm trying to get on back to the house in a minute and put this thing back in the garage. What'd you say, bud?
I don't know if that fucking nut just fell down in here or fell down in the.
I don't know. Hell,
Sure.
probably a bunch of them motherfuckers up under there by now, Spank.
I'm gonna make sure it ain't stuck over the different exhaust. There it is.
There it is. That damn boat running from you, ain't?
Watch your eyes. Fuck. Watch your eyes.
Yeah.
Hell no, it ain't.
It got windy as hell.
I don't think that's gonna work.
Huh?
I don't think that's gonna work.
Why you said that? It don't look like it's catching our way in there.
I gotta tap. That's it. Nope, ain't gonna be able to do it. Hey, take way too long. Gotta drill it and tap it out. This is gonna get pretty quickly. When the wind ain't killing you.
Hell no, she might catch.
Come on, baby.
Got this one on the first try. Come on out of there, goddamn it. Huh?
See, she's coming now.
Oh yeah. Other side tried to
I
whoop.
think that was gonna work. It's always when you don't think it's gonna work, it works. You're gonna be like, oh shit, look. There you go, Shane.
Shit.
My bad, dog.
You turned it. Got it damn near out
Light
of
on it now, shit.
goddamn
It barely worked.
I mean, barely
That's all
too.
you need to do. A little nudge.
There she goes.
Hell yeah.
Last of the Mohicans.
And we even got some nuts left over. Look at
I
that.
ain't
Hell
lying. You brought a lot. You must thought you were gonna need a bunch of them.
I've done this before.
Shoot. That what's up. What we do with the motorboat?
Okay, I'm
gonna say you. Alright guys, we back. Gonna try to get this motor off the back of this truck by myself. I got it loaded up by myself, so. Shit was real sticky between the car. I should have been really damn hard to wait, but. Shit. Alright, y'all. We finished with that. We got this motor. Whew. We got the motor back on the motor stand. We got the bolts that was broke in it, took out. Whew. Damn. Big boy tired, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. But let me grab these motor mounts. And this red shit. These motor mounts right over here. So I can put these motor mounts on the side of the motor. I get ready to drop it off in there this weekend. So I gotta get me a crank bolt so I can put that crank pulley back on. But man, I'm tired now, y'all. Whew. Goddamn jack. And all this done whoop me moving this motor around. So I'm gonna holler back at y'all on the next video, man. The next video, we're dropping the motor in. Hopefully that's the next video. If not, I'm gonna be going to get my transmission. So y'all holler back at me on the next one. Y'all stay in the comment section. Tap in with me. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all check out my car show. Gonna be coming up July 22nd this year. Tap in with me. If you didn't make it last year, come on and kick it with me this year. We're gonna have some bad rides. We're gonna do some trophies. Best of show gonna get 500. So y'all tap in with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna holler back at you on the next one. Alright?